So I can't even begin to explain how big of a supply shock is going to hit Shiba Inu sometime in the near term. And, this isn't financial advice. This isn't a guarantee. And some people, think we're crazy talking about supply. I've seen people mention, oh, too many tokens and all these things. And that's a fallacy, right? We've disproved this many times here before. And right now, the trend for Shiba Inu is the same as some other coins, like Bitcoin, for example, but it's the reason why SHIB is probably going to be one of the best performers in the space. When we look at this SHIB chart, this supply on exchanges, I'm glad I found this because this was very difficult to get to and get back to. But what we're seeing is a trend that is this consistent removal of supply, removal of supply, removal of supply, removal of supply. And the reason I keep mentioning this, guys, is you have to think about what's happened over the last 5 months. We've been going on this correction. Sentiment has been dropping. There's been all these negative things in the space that frankly have been beating down Shiba Inu price, right? We've seen it here in the charts. The trend is consistent, right? But think about what is continuing to happen during that time. You have people buying and buying and buying and removing from exchanges, removing from exchanges, removing from exchanges. That's what this purple line is, guys. And look at, even since our March high where we had 163 trillion available on exchanges, we are now down at 142. All right. You've had almost over 20 trillion SHIB removed from exchanges during that time. That's over a 10% decrease in the available supply while price has gone down. Think about how much will be available as we get back to these March highs. What I think is even a better indication of what to come is look at where we're at compared to, you probably can't even see it. I think my box is covering it, but at the height of the bull market cycle, there was about 150 trillion SHIB available on exchanges. There is now less than when the price was higher. This is the reason why SHIB is gearing up for a major supply shock. Supply shock is going to hit in a big way. And because there is less available SHIB to the upside, prices can move that much faster. It's why I said early on that it wouldn't surprise me if SHIB did at least a 10x from its prior all-time high. All right, my range for this cycle has been pretty consistent. I've been saying 305 through 201. It would make a lot of sense because again, SHIB has a lot of these heightened fundamentals. You have people that have the long-term mindset. It's got the big optics outside the space. It's the reason why, frankly, SHIB has the potential to crack the top 5 in this cycle. It would be the first ERC20 to ever do this. All right. Outside of Hex. Hex did it a little bit different of a scenario there, but hopefully you guys understand the gravity of what's taking place right now. Yes, I know the price has moved to the downside. Yes, I know it sucks, but think about this. This has been a huge opportunity to accumulate while the rest of the market, many people in the space and many people outside the space have not been paying attention right now. All right. So we have some exciting times ahead. The trend is consistent for SHIB. We're seeing great fundamentals. It's all a point of just essentially getting over that hump, waiting for that market reversal, because man, are we going to have some wild times ahead. I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you in the next one. Take care.